Hey there, good to see you. Just a quick message to tell you about a program that Governor DeSantis just signed a bill on. It's called Hometown Heroes. So it goes into effect June 1st, and it's a great incentive program, a reward program, I should say, for our frontline workers in our community. And we're really excited to be able to bring this to you, tell you a little bit about it, and then offer you a higher level educational opportunity to learn more and really take advantage of this program if it applies to you. So before I get into the details, I just want to say stay to the end and I'll tell you how to RSVP for the event. I think that it will be a really good opportunity to learn more. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment, because we believe that everyone deserves a luxury experience. So the Hometown Heroes program is one that has two components, two important benefits to it. The state of Florida has chosen to reward our frontline workers who have really been integral in getting us through this pandemic that we have dealt with for the past couple of years. So who benefits? Well, that's the medical professionals, that's our teachers, that's our school administrators, that's our safety workers like our police officers, our EMTs, our 911 operators. There's really a pretty expansive group that this covers. So when we do the educational seminar here in a couple of weeks, you'll get some more information as to all of the categories, but that's just a real quick overview on who we're going to be covering with this program. $100 million has been set aside in the state budget for this year, and that money is going to go towards first-time home buyer down payment and closing cost assistance. So a first-time home buyer who qualifies can receive up to $25,000 to help them with those costs in order to purchase a home. So really exciting to be able to say thank you to some of the people out in our community that have worked so hard to keep us safe and healthy and take care of our families during this rough time that we've gone through. The other part of the program is a tax incentive. So if you already own your home, you have not been forgotten. You also have the benefit of applying for an additional homestead exemption. So it'll give you additional deduction on the value of your home that then turns into the amount you're assessed for taxes. So this will lower your tax bill for the next so many years. Hopefully this is going to be a program that will be ongoing for duration, but I would certainly say it's a great opportunity to take advantage of any savings, any reward that you can receive after serving our community so well. So if this applies to you or any of your family, friends, or coworkers, I encourage you to share this information. Let them know that they have access to attending our educational seminar. We certainly hope to see you there, and we really want to get this information in front of as many eligible parties as we can. So if you would like more information, if you would like to RSVP for the seminar, send us an email. You can click on this video and send an email for the RSVP, or text HH for Hometown Heroes, that's HH, to 352-476-3303. If you have any questions in the meantime, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. RES Luxury Group is here to help you in any way that we can. So give us a call at 352-794-1426. And the seminar that we're going to hold the middle of June, we are going to partner with one of our preferred lenders who is approved to offer the loan component of the program. There's only approximately 1,000 lenders who have been identified and approved to offer the program. So not only are we going to bring you some more information about how the program works and how it can impact you, we're also going to connect you with a lender who can help you navigate through the program. So we look forward to talking to you more about this, and just give us a call, reach out if there's anything we can do for you in the meantime.